What's up, everybody? We're going to go through my first ChatGPT deep research results. This is career roadmap into AI agent and development and ethics for a web dev content creator. Promising AI agent and ethics career paths in 2025. No AI degree needed. So it's going to go through a bunch of different roles. You feel free to pause this and check it out. We've got AI ethics specialist or consultant, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, prompt engineer, AI specialist, and AI product manager, strategist, conversational AI specialist designer, AI augmented data analyst, and other roles such as AI compliance specialist and AI consultant. And it kind of tells all the different earnings, and then it goes into the skills, tools, and certifications to learn the basics of machine learning and neural networks is really important. AI and machine learning tools and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, using Jupyter notebooks, and then building autonomous agents, LangChain, agent frameworks like AutoGen and Haystack. I didn't know about Haystack before this, so I definitely am going to check that out. No-code tools like N8N. N8N is really cool. I've been hearing a lot about Bubble, Zapier, AI ethics and governance. We have Google AI principles, IBM AI Fairness 360, and then it goes into some certifications to boost credibility. Google and AWS and Microsoft all have certifications. So we have IBM, the IAPP, the IEEE, and Deep Learning AI. For no-code tools, we have Coursera and Udacity. And then for the action plan, it's got upskilling, building projects, and it says for 2 projects to build a chatbot, and then ethical AI case or tool, sharing and documenting work, networking and learning the industry through communities, meetups, and mentors, polishing resume and online profiles, and then applying strategically. It goes into demonstrating AI expertise without formal credentials, build a portfolio, contribute publicly to open source, leverage content creation skills, show a track record of learning and improvement, network and get endorsements, be strategic in showcasing on applications. In summary, make everything you've learned and created as visible as possible. Industries and companies hiring AI agent specialists, ethics focused, the big tech companies, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Salesforce. I asked about some that are in the Seattle area. I also asked about education. It says it's a little bit slower. And then it talks about some other industries like healthcare, manufacturing, robotics, and government. Describes the AI job market as a gold rush. And the industries are actually competing to hire AI agent developers and ethicists. So yeah, I was really surprised at how in-depth this is. Definitely not disappointed that they finally brought this to ChatGPT Plus. It sucks that you only get 10 a month right now, but I'm sure I'll be using up all 10 as wisely as I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you liked this video. Hit subscribe, tell your friends, and learn more about AI with me here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.